Okay, so the process for putting the undercoat on, I have a holder, a weighted holder, which is a bit of Oregon. I think it's, is it 4x4 or something. I put nails in it, which I can bend so that it holds the faceplate. And this is so that when I'm painting, I can hold it in my hand and rotate. Alright, so I've cleaned the surface with IPA alcohol. Doesn't matter whether it's wax and grease remover. I like IPA because it dries very quickly. Wax and grease remover, you must make sure that you dry it properly, and away you go. Alright, we'll start painting. Safety first, guys. Always wear a mask. This stuff, when it atomizes, is not very good on the lungs, as with any paint. Alright, I'll put this on and I'll start light dusting. Okay. Remember, start from the outside, keep your runs, it's just like spraying a car. Okay. I still smell all this coming through the mask. That's how lethal it is. And because this is a fine spray, oh. You got to treat this as a three-dimensional object. Get in all the screw holes. And there we go. Just bring it out into the light. This sprays on at the equivalent of 1500 fine. That's why it's called 1500. All these paints are graded down to 500 grit. I always choose to go the 1500. Very, very smooth. Okay. When it dries, we'll put another couple of coats on and then take it from there. And I'll put the other bezel back in here as well to dry. All right. Thank you.